Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade body butter. So let's get started. I've already got water on the stove heating up to medium heat, and here I'm going to put, because we're going to use a double boiler, I am going to put in 0.25 ounces of beeswax, 1/8 cup of Golden Jojoba Oil, a half a cup of organic coconut oil, and a half a cup of African shea butter. So we're going to take this over to the stove, put this in the pot that already has water heating up to medium, and begin to melt our oils. We've got the oils melting over medium heat, and we will stir this from time to time until it's ready to come off the stove. Just gotta let the beeswax melt a little more, and just a little bit more melting on the shea butter. Okay, so the oil has completely melted and the beeswax. So now I'm gonna pour it into my mixing bowl. Then I will put it in the refrigerator and allow it to solidify. You see that golden richness? Now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it solidify. I've already placed 12 drops of wild orange essential oil in the mixture and 8 drops of Cassia oil. So now let's blend it away. And here is the body butter. After mixing it, I poured it into the jar and placed it back into the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes, and this is the outcome. And if you take a little bit of that, of course it's gonna melt with your body heat. But oh, that feels amazing. That's how I make my body butter. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you want to know every time a new video comes out, hit the bell. Thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Bye.